What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're gonna look at Smile Direct Club. They've been up almost 50% in 3 days. Can this rally continue? Let's get into it. All right, before we get into the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link, it'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. All right, here we are in the 180-day chart in the Thinkorswim platform, and this is for ticker symbol SDC, Smile Direct Club. But before we get in this chart and looking at where the stock may be headed, we're going to talk a little bit about the news, because there's been a lot of it and a lot of positive news lately that has made this stock pop. Starting on the 6th of January, Smile Direct Club shares soared Monday after the online dental company said it would offer a line of oral care products exclusively at Walmart. And that's in the store on Walmart's website. They said they're going to include a line of their toothpaste and whitening and sensitivity, a water flosser, and an ultrasonic ultraviolet cleaner that sanitizes toothbrush heads, aligners, retainers, and dentures. So this is really big because anytime you can get in Walmart, you reach a lot of people. So we move on to the 7th of January, and this was like a little quick tidbit. I think it made the stock jump maybe 10%. But Smile Direct Club expands to Hong Kong. And it says they opened up 2 Hong Kong Smile shops, its first Asia locations. So that's big because it's not just in the United States. This product is already worldwide. And this stock just IPO'd back a few months ago. So on to the 13th of January, they won a court battle with the Dental Association in New Jersey. So that's big. That's really big because from what I understand, the New Jersey Dental Association they filed a complaint with the courts in the state of New Jersey saying that Smile Direct Club was a sham, basically a fraud. Well, they won that case on the 13th of January, which propelled the stock even higher. I believe like 12% that day. And on to the most recent news, which was on the 14th of January. Shares of online dental company Smile Direct Club surged Tuesday after the company said it would offer its clear aligners through its wholesale channel to dentists and orthodontists this year. That's good. That's crazy good because that's another avenue that they're going to have to make more money. And this was all, they had a deal with Align, the company that makes the Invisalign aligners. Anyway, that deal they had with them ended on the 31st of December. So, and I will say, as Smile Direct Club has been rising, Align has been dropping. So there's another way that you could make some money on Align dropping. And we'll get into it later. It deals with options. But we're going to go ahead and jump into this chart. Okay, here we are back on the chart. And there's not going to be a lot of technicals that we can really look at. They're going to hold a lot of weight because this stock just IPO'd back in September. So it's only been around a few months. We don't have that much data. So we're just really going to point out some things on this chart. The high back on the IPO, the 12th of September, $21. And this low right here on the 12th of December. So basically it went from 21 to 750 in a couple months. And it's went from 750 to up here at 1372, which represents an 82% increase from that low back in December. So this stock is extremely volatile, which most IPOs are, but this one's seeing a lot of good things for it. So I believe it could run a lot higher. I'm not saying to buy this stock, but do your research on it. Do your own research before you buy. But I will say, as far as invested, I'm not invested in this stock. I do have an option that I got in like 6 days ago. It's a $10 call expiring April 17th. I paid $185 for the option. And as of today, it closed over $425. So, and I will go ahead and say there's a lot of option activity with Smile Direct Club. And these are options, I think, for this Friday, it's a hit 14. A large number of options, large contracts came in for this to hit 14. And then into next month, middle of February, they're expecting it to hit 16. And those were large numbers, over 1,000 contracts. So this stock is moving. There's a lot of positive news for it. So do your research, and if you feel like investing, go right ahead because there's money to be made. Now, I did talk a little earlier bit about Align. Now, if you look at Align, every time that Smile Direct Club increases, Align decreases. So what I'm looking at doing is buying some puts on Align because I really think, I've looked at the chart, I really think with Smile Direct Club being direct competition with them now, they're going to sink. So there's a possibility to make some money on some put options with Align. So that pretty much wraps up this video. If you liked it, if you enjoyed the content, subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps. And also smash that bell for future notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.